Hey, it's Allie with Allie Oops, and I'm excited to share with you this new project. One of my grandson's most favorite little decorations that I put out for Halloween is my little spooky village made from Dollar Tree, Christmas houses, and a few other supplies. In this video today, my daughter Bethany and her son, my little grandson, will be doing this project.
Now let's paint them.
Let's paint them.
No.
Yep. Say, I'm going to get my handy dandy paintbrush.
Handy dandy, baby.
You okay, baby? Does Mommy have her handy dandy paintbrush? Okay. So tell them, say the first thing we're going to do is paint these houses. Say it.
That's when to paint these houses.
Yeah. Okay, ready? Now we're ready to paint.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, now listen. This isn't like your play paint. A little bit. You hear me?
Yeah.
A little bitty bit. Okay, that's a little bit. That's perfect. Okay, now, wait. You gotta go like this. Okay? You already got some on Mommy, so I'm just gonna... And look, just paint it everywhere. Can you do that?
Yeah.
DIxie Belle, Caviar.
You want another bite?
Huh?
You want another bite?
He wants another bite. Oh, that's light. Here, give me some of that. Give me some of that paint. You're gonna paint for both of us. That's good, baby. That's good. Oh, that's plenty. No more. You're doing pretty good, though. You think you're doing good?
Yeah.
Listen.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's help you out some.
Some of my fondest memories are doing crafts with Bethany and Caitlin when they were little, and I am so glad that John Tucker will share memories with his mommy doing crafts too.
Are you done?
Yeah.
Oh. Yes, ma'am. You want me to paint your house for you? Are you supervising?
Now they worked really hard painting these little Dollar Tree Christmas houses black.
So, here we are, take 999. I filmed a video, let me move my coffee, of me making our Halloween spooky village. So I filmed this last week. I'm almost done. I'm so excited. Okay, let's do the web. Goodness gracious, I'm gonna have to cut this. Update, it is late. I'm going to bed. I did not get done, but that's okay. I ran out of hot glue and sticks. I'll have more sticks. Stay tuned, because it's not a finished project. And I'm having the most difficult time getting it uploaded for my mom. Long story short, we live in the middle of nowhere, and I keep forgetting to bring my computer to work, so that's totally on me, to upload it, and she needs to get this video done. So we're gonna go ahead and I want to get it done anyway, because we did that side of the spooky village. My windowsill is super long, and so I wanted to do another side of the spooky village, and this spooky village is gonna have a church, and it's gonna have a little haunted house, and I'm also gonna make some air dry clay tombstones to go with the church. I thought that would be really cute. So let's go. So we are gonna paint this 2-foot piece of scrap wood. You can get these Lowe's, Home Depot. Usually they have a scrap wood, and you just ask them, like, say, hey, I need like a 2x4-ish. Okay, this ain't gonna work. This is my son's paintbrush.
So once she found a good paintbrush, she went ahead and painted the 2x4 white. Now this is going to be the base of your village. Now she painted these cute little wooden bats that have clips on them, so it makes them easy to clip in the trees. And these came from Dollar Tree. And now she is gluing down her little houses onto the base.
I think what I'm going to go ahead and do is place my trees. Now, these little trees I just got out of the yard, so free, using God's nature. So I am just going to place these. I have 3 of them. I want one on each end and one in the middle, because I'm going to do my ghosty my spider web. So let's kind of do it close to the church. Now this, you just got to hot glue. As it doesn't matter what it looks like, because you're going to put moss grass around it, and patience, because it is just a waiting game. You don't want to move it, you just want to hold it, be very still. For some reason, I do not remember this glue taking this long to dry, and it is starting to look janky. So I'm plan B. I might have gotten the wrong glue sticks. We're going to go ahead and put our peat moss around it. That way it'll support it, because that's happening.
Now once she had the trees in place, she just glued a little Spanish moss all around it, and then she glued some on the bottom all around the houses in the village, but the trees were taking their toll on little Bethany. So now we've got these really cute bottle brush trees that are in Halloween colors that she's gluing in place, and they're really cute. You can get them at alleyoops.com.
Here she is in all her glory. She is so stinking cute. Then I've got my little Happy Halloween that I got from Home Goods, and here's the other side. So Spooky Village is complete. All I have to do is change out my wreath and on to the next DIY project.
We would love for you to subscribe to our channel and like this video if you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.